further to my evidence before. The guy in charge of the ISP or the domain on this network is fiddling about and changing details to do with the identity with information files, the ID, etc. When I look into it in all of this detail, you'll see what I mean. It starts from up here. You can see, right, it says stuff is fixed, but it still does not work. As you can see, it tries to set the BT Wi-Fi, and BT Wi-Fi is not set to the default connection basically. That is the information file for the network part, Wi-Fi adapter. That is section base, hardware ID, instant status flags, change to hexadecimal binary code. Device manager status code is 0. IF type of the information file type is 71. Physical media type is 9. Description, that's all correct, I think. Hardware ID, you could have changed that to something else, so it doesn't work, but you probably change something like this hexadecimal number here, or the device status is set to 0, which obviously means in Boolean, which is 1 or 0, yes or no, true or false, however you want to say it. Whether something is going to work or not, basically, and it's set to 0. Can you not see the problem here? And the adapter is switched on, and it says it's working properly. As you can see, it says all this, but it still doesn't work because it always says the same thing. It's not set to that in the default. So I'll unconnect it. If it says it's connected, disconnect. Right? Try connecting the extension again. So go to connect, security key, lowercase f, lowercase t, shift, at, ff, shift underscore, capital G, lowercase u, 3, shift, $, and t, underscore, 1. You hear that is all I typed then. So you'll see here, this next, no, that should work. Checking network requirements. It takes ages to do anything, it takes ages to get anywhere. And as you can see here, all of the details down here has been changed to do with description, manufacturer, devices, but it's more important stuff than that. You're changing the Boolean of the information file type to 0, and device manager code, the device manager status code is set to 0 as well. That is why nothing will work, I think. That's the evidence for when this goes to court. I hope you are understanding this. It says no problem found, but it is a problem because it's edited it to 0, the information file type to 0, the device status is on at 0, so it cannot even start to work. And this is all the information. So it's the MAC addresses, well, BS IDs and all that, which is a MAC address. And it sets up to infrared. Address is set to infrared. I mean, that isn't right, is it? It's got Wi-Fi switched on. Information, list of visible networks, information item serial, information item display. DSS type PHY, security signal RSSI compatible. Yes, SSID is never listed. The SSID is not listed anywhere. Can you understand? The host name of the broadcasting not wireless network here is not showing up whatsoever. And it's all set to infrared, as you can see there. And that's the list of preferred networks, 6 items. Western guest. I've tried that, as you have seen in our videos. I'll highlight Western guest. That is how they changed the host name to that. I've tried logging in using that, as you've seen in the previous video. Profile telephone exchange. SSID has been changed to telephone exchange. Yeah, so I'll try logging into the telephone exchange one now. Connect even if the network is not broadcasting. No, that is the whole problem. He will not allow us to have the SSID due to this. Connect even if network is not broadcasting. Connectable is no. That is the problem, I think. Reason, that hexadecimal code there, binary code, SSID, BT Wi-Fi. I've just connected BT Wi-Fi. Connection name is infra. Security, no. But it is set. I've done everything correct. Group policy, no. Because I've set to a private network now. Connect even if network is not broadcasting, no. That should be set to yes. Convertible is set to no. Reason, the hexadecimal is at. If you look up that hexadecimal code, you'll find out the information as well. If you look into all of this, you'll understand. Information for infra auto configuration ID is set to 69. List of physical networks 14 items total, 14 items displayed, BSS type PHY security, signal RSSI compatible, which could have been changed as well, or messed about with all these integers here, which are numbers. So we're programming, 14 items displayed, no SSID, which is the host name broadcasting with the wireless adapter. It's displayed anywhere, as you can see. Other people's are, right, the top one, talk, Joy Family Guest, unnamed network, which is this one, because it is not broadcasting the SSID, which is the host name for the broadcasting wireless router. Western Guest is the profile, but Western Guest does not show up, and when I try typing something in for the security key for this wireless network, it does not allow it, because someone keeps changing everything I type before I can type it, due to having about 7 hours sleep in just under 20 days, or more, just over that now, I think. And I cold turkeyed. I stopped 80 milligrams of methadone suddenly when I was addicted to a lot more when I was prescribed oxycodone hydrochloride by my GP before. Hope you understand. Thank you for watching. I'll end this video right now. Bye for now.